biggest difference between an on-prem data solution and a cloud solution is the shared responsibility model. And this is really, the main difference is, if you think about this, is what is your responsibility as the consumer of that service versus the responsibility of the provider of that service. So if we think about leveraging a productivity SaaS application, that productivity SaaS application owner is responsible for all the things that we've done in the past: patching, updates, access control, creating the frameworks around that, interaction with third-party services and APIs and things like that. All of that we used to have to be responsible for. Now the cloud service provider is responsible. In the IaaS model, which is sort of the Amazon and Azure model, where we're hosting services, that shared service responsibility still exists. The cloud service provider provides security of the cloud, whereas the customer is responsible for providing security in the cloud. And ultimately, that's where Optiv can help our customers, is providing security in the cloud. As we think about cloud services, one of the unique advantages to cloud is that we actually can create this fantastic idea of application segmentation. We could do that in the data center, but it was a little more difficult. It was a little more artificial for us to create individual sort of mini data centers surrounding applications. The cloud actually has a little bit of an advantage in that we can actually create individual containers around each application. And that allows us to really think about segmentation in a completely different way. We can create virtual clouds around those applications, isolate the data and the data flows, and protect it in a way that we never could have done without creating really a separate data center in the past. So when companies start to think about developing a strategy around cloud security and securely adopting cloud, they need to think about sort of all the same things that we've always thought about before. There's honestly no shortcut. Adopting a strong cloud security framework is really sort of the key component. You need to think about governance. What are the types of data you're going to put out there? Because that's really going to affect the programs that you want to put together to secure the data. If you think about it, you really can't secure what you don't know is there. It's a bit like ready, fire, aim in that particular model. We've got to think about the type of data, the type of capabilities we need to execute on that data, and then how we're going to execute that. Ultimately, if you put those things together and you look at the applications that are going to be moved to the cloud, you can create a strong security program that's aligned to the business use model.